people at the party area, kids and adults. So we will make it 310 noise. Everybody, if I will say chicken, I hope you would say joy. Chicken! Everybody, please clap your hands. Are you all excited? Yes, we are so excited as well.
Ayan. Hi.
Alright, everybody, please clap your hands, everyone. Alright, later, I hope that all of you, especially for all the kids, you will cooperate with the games. Okay? Together with your mommy or your daddy, your nanny, ate, and kuya, I hope all of you will cooperate in the games later, or else, you need to choose the 3 consequences of the party. The first one, you need to pay the balance bill of the celebrant after the party. The second one, you need to clean up the party area after this party. The third one is the most expensive one. You need to pay the talent fee of my talent fee and RR for 500 MOP. Okay, everybody, chicken! Yes, everybody, one more time. Please clap your hands, everyone. It's nice to see you again, especially all the kids. Hindi namin alam ano ipapalaro namin. Dahil kayo pa rin. Okay, one more time. Everybody, please clap your hands, everyone. Everybody, don't forget the chicken. Jolly afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, all the kids. Welcome you at Jollibee Manila Plaza, and this is Matthew's birthday party. Everybody, please clap your hands. My name is Wade, and I am your host for today, together with RR. Everybody, please give a big clap. Clap your hands, everyone, for our birthday celebrant, Molly. Please join me here. This party will not be possible if we don't have the sexy and the beautiful mommy. Please join me here, mommy. Pahingaan ko po yung music. Pasok natin si baby at si daddy. Let's take a family photo together, please. Okay, let's take a family photo first.